Hey guys, it's Miss A. Thank you so much for joining us for another week of learning. Today's lesson is going to cover missing number bonds in subtraction. Are you ready? Let's begin. So the first thing we need to know when looking for the missing number in a number bond is we need to know how to subtract. And you guys are really good at that. I've seen the work you've turned in. So let's read this one. 10 minus 3 equals. Well, 10 is the first number, so that means that's the quantity we'll have to make first. Can you guys help me count 10? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many did they want us to take away? That's right. Can you help me count 3? 1, 2, 3. Well, how many are left? Let's count. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's my answer? That's right. Let's try another one, just to review. It says, read it with me. 5 minus 1 equals. Well, how many do I need to start off with? That's right. Can you help me count 5? That was awesome. How many do I need to take away? You got it. How many are left? Did you say 4? Great job. Kiss your brain. Let's continue. Okay guys, so let's practice using subtraction to find the missing number in our number bond. So the first thing we need to do is look at our answer circle. And we know that in a number bond, your answer circle is always the one with 1, 2 lines. So the first thing we do is look at our answer circle because that will tell us what quantity we need to begin with. What number do you see in the answer circle? That's right, 7. So we're going to begin with the quantity of 7. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Now the next thing we're going to do is look at the other number in our number bond. What number do you guys see? That number is 6, and that number tells us how many we need to take away. Can you help me take away 6? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many are left? That's it. We know our missing number. It is 1. So when we write our equation, we would write 7 minus 6 equals 1. Give yourself a pat on the back. That was great. Okay guys, so we're going to find the missing number. Remember, the first place we're going to look is our answer circle. Our answer circle is the one that has 1, 2 lines. What number is in our answer circle? 10. That is correct. So we begin with the quantity of 10. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we look at the other number in our number bond. This one tells us how many to take away. How many do we need to take away, guys? You got it, 5. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's our missing number? That's right, our missing number is 5. And when we write our equation, it would look like this. 10 minus 5 equals 5. You guys are doing great. Let's try another one. So we need to find the missing number. What is the first thing we're going to do? That's right. Look at that number in our answer circle. Our answer circle is the one that has 1, 2 lines. What number do you see in this answer circle? That's right, 8. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we look at the other number in our number bond. This one lets us know how many we should take away. How many do we need to take away, guys? Can you help me count? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? I hope you said 2, because that is the missing number in our number bond. Good job. And when we write our equation, we are going to write 8 minus 6 equals 2. You are doing so great. I think it's time to go super hard. Let's continue. All right, guys, this is our last one, so we have to make it super hard. So you tell me, what's the first thing that we need to do? That's right, we're looking in our answer circle. What number do you see? That's correct. Let's go ahead and begin with a quantity of 7. So now that we have our 7, what's the next thing we need to do? That's right. We're looking at the other circle to see how many we need to take away. How many do we need to take away, guys? That's correct. Help me count 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, scholars, how many are left? I hope you said 4, because that is our missing number. And when we write our equation, it's going to say 7 minus 3 equals 4. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. We're going to practice some more with subtraction and missing number bonds, but stay tuned for our Student of the Week. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me and learning this week. I hope you had a good time practicing how to use subtraction to find the missing number in a number bond. And now it's time for our Super Duper Scholars of the Week. Yay! All right, so let's kick it off. Our Scholar of the Week is Stephen. Let's see the great work that he has done. That's awesome, Stephen. Another Super Duper Scholar of the Week is our friend Camila. Let's see what Camila has done. Wow, that's pretty good, Camila. Another Super Duper Scholar of the Week is our friend Daniel Vasquez. Let's see what he's done. Oh, that's pretty cool, Daniel. Another Super Duper Scholar of the Week is our friend Jacob. Let's see what Jacob has. Wow, that's really awesome, Jacob. Thank you so much to everyone who's been doing such a great job. You guys did so awesome this week. And I want to tell everyone else, keep doing your best because you never know. You may be my Super Duper Scholar of the Week next week. Now, let's do some Husky shout-outs. Okay, guys, so we've reached the end of our video, and you know what time that is. It's the Room for Husky shout-out time, and let me tell you, you guys are the best kindergartners in the entire United States of America. Thank you so much to my scholars. Thank you so much to my families. Would you believe that teacher has now received over 1,300 assignments from you guys? Thank you for making your brains sweat. You guys are absolutely fantastic. Thank you for making me the happiest teacher in the whole wide world. I also want to send a birthday shout out to my best friend Esther. Happy birthday, Esther. She's celebrating a birthday this week. And I want to faces in room 4, thank you again for making me the happiest teacher in the whole wide world. I want to shout out all my friends like Javier, Sophia, Jared, Isaac, Brooklyn, Daniel B, Brianna, Jacob, Stephen, Camila, Stephen, Esther, Benjamin, Christelle, Legacy, Daniel S., Rebecca, Matthew, Andrea, Alanis, Caden, Chelsea, and Francello. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope to see you next week. Be safe.